Yes, life is no bed of roses. But if you did not do well on your classroom procedures quiz, now is your opportunity to retake it. So for you that are in PreAP, this is your 10-question retake. This is only for PreAP students. It is not for regular Texas history, only PreAP. So please take out a piece of paper, put your name at the top. The title is Redo Classroom Procedures Quiz. Now we're going to move really fast, so if you need to, please hit the pause button, and I'll be happy to slow down. But again, hit the pause button. Here we go. Number 1. According to brain researchers, how long can the average 7th grader pay attention? It's your age plus 3. Number 1. According to brain researchers, how long is the average 7th grader able to pay attention? It's your age plus 3. Number 2. What is the name of the sheet where we keep track of our grades so that we know how we are doing in class? Number 2. What is the name of the sheet where we keep track of our grades so that we know how we are doing in class? Number 3. What is the very first thing you do when coming to class in the morning? What do you look at? What is the very first thing that you look at, number 3, when you come to class in the morning? Number 4. What emotion completely shuts down your brain? It's a synonym for worry. What is the emotion that completely shuts down your brain? It is a synonym for worry. Number 5. What material is missing from this list? It's one of the 3 things I told you you must have with you every day when you come to class. Grade record sheet, binder, what's missing? Again. Number 5, what's missing from the list? Grade record sheet, binder, blank. What's missing from the list? Number 6, where can I go to find a missing paper or an assignment if I was ill the previous day? Where would I go to find missing work? Number 6. Number 7, what type of teacher is Mrs. Howard? What do you call her? Type of teaching. What type of teacher is Mrs. Howard? What do you call her teaching style? Number 8, how often do we elect student teachers in this class? How often do we elect student presidents or student teachers in this class? Every what? Number 9, what should never be placed in the electric sharpener because it gums up the motor? What should never be placed in the electric sharpener because the wax in them gums up the motor? Number 10, Jimmy Joe Bob has the flu. He's out of school for 5 days. How many days does Jimmy Joe Bob have to make up his absent work? Jimmy Joe Bob is out of school for 5 days. How many days does Jimmy Joe Bob have to make up his absent work? All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us. That concludes your retake of the Classroom Procedures Quiz. Please make sure that you have that turned in to me by Friday, September 5th, if you would like to raise your grade. Thank you very much, and you have a pleasant day.